Friends, welcome to this special session on environment. We are at the entrance of Ramanujan College, Delhi University. Myself, SP Agarwal, principal of the college. I will show you all the initiatives taken with regard to conservation of environment, keeping our air clean inside the campus. I will go one by one. Green food waste recycling machine. You can see the machine is EcoMan, and from here we put the green waste, all grass or green leaves, food waste from here, and everything is converted into manure and it comes out from here. You can see yourself, you can see there is a manure there. So this is again reused in our parks and green areas. So this is a very good machine known as EcoMan and it can convert all our green waste and food waste, canteen waste into green manure. So this is another initiative which we have taken in this institution. You can see this is known as solid waste management plant, or we call it popularly as STP plant. This is of 200 KLD and it completely changed our solid waste coming from toilets into water reusable again in toilets. So this is another initiative taken by the college to install STP plant and reuse or recycle the water to be used in either parks or toilets itself. Okay, now I'll show you another initiative. This is our service block area, and here there is a water tank of 3 lakh liters capacity, and this plant converts hard water into soft water, or we can say drinkable water. This is an automatic plant used to clean the water and to supply for drinking in the whole college. So this is another important initiative taken in conservation of water and reuse of water. Okay, now we are in the ground which is called as our cricket ground, but you can see the building in front of me. The whole rainwater of this 4-story building and the pathways comes here in the tank, a huge tank of 5 lakh liters. Water, whole rainwater is stored in this tank, and now this water can be recycled. We use it for parks as well as for other purposes after the rainy season. Even the whole drainage system of these grounds, the water goes into this. I will show you over there. Now you can see the whole groundwater. Water from this open area comes here and again goes direct into our storage tank where water can be stored and recycled. So this is the usage of rainwater. I will show you another initiative of rainwater harvesting in next few minutes. As I was talking to you, this is another play area or ground which is about 2 feet below our main playground, and you can see some temporary porta cabins to my right, to my left, and all rainwater goes through these pipes and ultimately taken to that corner where this is doing the recharging. We have 30 meter down the earth which the water goes for recharging of this area. I will show you the recharging area. Okay, as I was talking to you, the rainwater from these areas including the ground is coming through this line. You can see this line, and this goes here. There is a chamber here, and then from the chamber, after filtration of the solid waste, the water through pipe goes inside, deep inside. This is little rocky area, but the pipe has gone up to 30 meters in order to do the recharging. This has been done with the help of ground water recharging unit of Government of India. Okay, another important initiative we have taken is to produce electricity through solar energy. Now, this is a small initiative. I will show you the bigger initiative on our roofs, but here there are some solar panels. You can see these lights, these are called street lights, and they are all around our campus. I have shown you the one. Similarly, we have on my left and right. So you can see that these solar lights automatically works during the night, and during the day the recharging is done. Okay, now you can see the main building of the college. This is the entrance, and all around you can see the green plants. Then also when you will enter the building, in every corner or corridors you will see the plants which are used to clean the air, or we can call them pollution absorbing plants or oxygen producing plants. Also, for conservation of water, if you will see our toilets, they are automatic toilets. They dispense water. These are electronic dispensing things, so that no wastage of water takes place, which I will show you when I will be inside the building. Okay, now you see the name of the college is Ramanujan. This is the statue of great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was known all over the world as greatest mathematician of the century in the world. And he is also known as a man who knew infinity. And you can see the quotation there: equation has no meaning for me unless it expresses a thought of God. This is what Srinivasa Ramanujan said during his short tenure. Now, where automatic dispensing of water takes place when you use them, just see here, just like at airports. Just see, right here, you can see these are the automatic dispensing toilets where water comes out when you use it, otherwise it does not come. So this is the initiative of water conservation and saving of water, or we can say removing the wastage of water. Okay, this is the corridor, one of the corridors of our new building. Now you can see in my background there are small plants all over. These plants are very useful, or which are used inside the building, and our gardeners maintain them. Sometimes they are taken out for sun rays. Otherwise, they are doing the environment cleaning. Another important initiative I told you that we have taken is waste recycling initiative. Now, this waste recycling unit, what we do is that first thing is waste paper recycle. Now, this waste paper recycle is done through another company. What we do is that we collect the waste paper, including our newspapers and any other waste paper, and we give it to recycling unit called Jagruti. And every time we give them as per the weight, they provide us the new paper, which has saved lot of cost, because we use only this paper. There is no other investment. Whatever we give, we get the new paper or recycled paper. Another initiative we have taken is the e-waste management. Whatever e-waste we produce, I will show you where we collect it, and then we give it to the company who does the e-waste recycle thing, and they pick up and do the recycling. This is called Karo Sambhav. We will show you the certificates, how the e-waste, they write the quantity, and, accordingly, they dispose of the e-waste. Similarly, biomedical waste. We have a medical unit here in the college. Whatever medicines, syringes we use, and if they expire or if they are being used, Then they are disposed of through e-medical waste, which is called biotic waste solutions. So all these are companies through which we do the waste recycling things, so that no waste is thrown in the dustbins, or no waste is gone in the waste. So this is what it is. I will show you another important initiative which I was talking to you. We will go to the roof and show where solar power is being generated. This college is generating about 150 kVA of solar power through these solar panels. Okay. Another important initiative, as I was talking to you, is just see these solar panels. This is some of our solar panels. Rest are on other buildings. But through these solar panels, we generate, as I was telling you, 140 kilowatt of electricity. And this generation goes back to the grid, so that we save lot of money in monthly bills. Let me tell you, sometimes we save up to 2 lakh per month by generating this kind of electricity. And another important thing is that we only use LED lights in this building, so that energy saving is maximum. And we also ensure that our students, staff, teachers switch off the lights, switch off the air conditioner when not in use. So these are some of the initiatives taken by the college in energy, environment, and waste paper, and water conservation. So these are all environment related things which any institution can do it easily. Thank you. Okay. Now you can see in my background, this is our e-waste storage area. All e-waste, including laptops, desktops, are stored here and then given to the waste recycling company after due process of financial rules and other rules followed in this direction. Thank you.